Hi everyone, this is Bag of Don, Stock Market Caddy. It is March 2nd at 5:42. Welcome to this week's example of our clean out. We call it our clean out because the strategy that we ran last week is what we call the Stock Market Caddy shaker and sluice box. Folks, this is where we're running our pay dirt on approximately 20 stocks. We did a clean out for last week, and we're going to show you what the clean out did this week. And what we also do is we do account the pricing that you'll see here, and the profit and loss does account for commissions, does account for slippage, and it does not necessarily indicate what we actually did. We reserved the prerogative during the course of the week. We have a radar live real time, so if we have the opportunity to reach into the sluice box, so to speak, and pull out a big fat gold nugget, we do just that. So this is what we call the shaker strategy. So for Apple last week, it lost on the trades that if we had run every single trade, which is meant to, we don't get a tremendous amount, it was only 3 trades, would have lost $53. Dry ships, I meant to take dry ships off. Dry ships is not done. It will not be on there next week. It just hasn't done anything to help our cause. So when we have a situation like that, enough's enough. We'll get rid of it. Actually, I did account for an $8 loss, and that was actually last week. She didn't do anything this week. Baidu this week loss 191.70. FedEx a gain 253. Facebook a net loss 195. Goldman Sachs net gain $353. Groupon net gain 1,625.40. Groupon's been done well for us. Did well for us last week. I think it caught the bounce this week. Guild a loss of 25.60. Gold a loss of 62. You notice the losses are small. Monster a net gain of 540. Netflix net gain of 230.80. QID 56 bucks. The SDSs a loss of 150. The SSOs, that was last week. Tesla is doing nicely for us, picked up this week $2,324. UGL a loss of actually that's last week. The VIX a loss of 898. Win a loss of 344. Yahoo a loss of 64.20. And Yelp, I think that's Yelp, a loss of $35. The total net for the shaker strategy, trading these very stocks, if one had taken every single trade, was a net of $3,344.76 for the week. The way we distribute our risk is by trading a multitude of stocks, long and short, distribute our risk, and we just keep running them. We will drop dry ships, and we might drop 1 or 2 and add 1 or 2 others. Alrighty, so we have on average 3 to 4 trades of each issue a week, which gives us ample opportunity to run the pay dirt. That is a mechanical trading system. No muss, no fuss. Good luck, everyone.